Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kawira Jasa. I'm from Group 5. And my teammate is Zulfia Aziza and Rosita Ariyanti. We will presenting our discussion. Our discussion is making suggestion. I hope it will easy to understand it.
Making suggestions, let's, why don't, shall I, and shall we. Let's. Let's is an abbreviation of the word let us, which means let's or come on, and is an invitation or can also be used to make suggestions after the word let's is followed by the verb of the first from verb 1. The formulas positive, let's plus verb 1. Example, let's go to a movie. Negative, let's plus not plus verb 1. Example, let's not go to a movie. Why don't? Why don't is ask or give suggestions in a more friendly manner. Formula, why don't plus subject plus verb 1. Example, first, why don't we go to a movie? Second, why don't you come around 7? It means I suggest that you come around 7. Third, why don't I give Mary a call?
Shall I or shall we? When shall is used with I or we in a question, the speaker is usually making a suggestion and asking another person if she or he agrees with this suggestion. This use of shall is relatively formal and infrequent. Formula: shall plus I or we plus verb 1. Example: shall I open the window? Is that okay with you? Sometimes shall we is used as a tag question after let's, as in. Example: let's go, shall we? More informally, okay is used as a tag question as in. Example: let's go, okay? Next.
Should versus could. Could express an idea, option, or solution for someone else to take. Could doesn't express a judgment about what is right to do. Could leave the decision making to the other person. It can be used when the other person is 1. A peer or same status, rank, and age. 2. Is an acquaintance. 3. Is a greater in status or different rank social level. E.g., you could ask people if they have seen it. So, express opinion about a smart action for someone else to take. Should express advice about what is good to do. It is used to influence or affect the other person's decision making. It is used in situations where the other person is 1. Appear, same status, rank, and age. Second is familiar, well known. 3. Or is a family member. E.g., you should cancel your credit cards.
Exercise 23. 1. New Japanese restaurant just opened downtown. Let's eat there tonight. Great idea. I'd like some good sushi. Why don't you call and make a reservation? Make it about 7:30. No, let's make it for 8. I'll be working until 7:30 tonight. 2. I don't feel like staying home today. Neither do I. Why don't we go out? Hey, that's a great idea. What time shall we go out? How about in an hour? Good. 3. Shall we go shopping or dinner first? Let's go shopping first. Then we can take our time over dinner. Why don't we have dinner first? Yes, then we'll be sure we are having dinner first. 4. Let's go to Bromo Mountain. Over the weekend, the fresh air would do us both good. I agree. Why don't we build a tent? No, sleeping in a tent is too uncomfortable. Let's rent a villa for us. It won't be that expensive and we'll have hot water and a TV in the room. All the comforts of home, right? How are we ever going to prepare for tomorrow's exam? There's so much to know. Why don't we go to the library? All right, and then let's discuss our material together. Okay, but after that, we should.
Exercise 24. Number 1. That doesn't feel good. He has a bad stomach ache. He should see a doctor. It means speakers be giving suggestion that he must go to a doctor to check his stomach. Number 2. That doesn't feel good. He has a bad stomach ache. What do you think he should do? Well, I don't know. He could call a doctor. He could call Dr. Smith, or he could call Dr. Jones, or he could simply stay in bed for a day and hope he feels better tomorrow. It means that the speaker B gives some opinions to go to a doctor. Number 3. I need to get to the airport. You should take the airport bus. It's cheaper than a taxi. Speaker B giving a suggestion to Speaker A that he must take the airport bus. Number 4. I need to get to the airport. Well, you could take the airport bus or you could take a taxi. Maybe Matt could take you, he has a car. Speaker B gave lots of suggestions for going to the airport. Number 5. I took a taxi to the airport and it cost me a fortune. You should have taken the airport bus. Speaker B gives a suggestion to Speaker A that he must take the airport bus. Number 6. I took a taxi to the airport and it cost me a fortune. You could have taken the airport bus, or maybe Matt could have taken you. Speaker B gave some suggestion to Speaker A to save Speakers A money.
Exercise 25. I don't have any plan for this weekend. I need some suggestion. You could go to the mountain or beach. Why there is use could? Because could is giving opinion, one or more than one opinion. I want to watch a movie and I want to go to a nice restaurant for dinner tonight. Any suggestion? You should visit seafood restaurant. I need to get from here to Malang. Any suggestion? You could go to bus station or you could buy a taxi. I need to buy an umbrella, but I don't know where to go. I need some suggestion. You should buy it from a market. I'm hungry. I'd like to eat an egg, but I've never cooked an egg before. What should I do? You should watch the tutorial from YouTube. I need to get a car, but it can be very expensive because I don't have a lot of money to spend on it. Any suggestion? You could buy a second car or buy a new car by installment. I bought Avanza, but I'm unhappy with it. In hindsight, can you suggest other possibilities for a kind of car I could have bought? You could buy a Mercedes. I went to Malang for my vacation last summer, but I didn't enjoy it. In hindsight, can you suggest some other possibilities that I didn't think of? I had only 5 days and a limited amount of money. You could go to Yogyakarta. I went to Cambaket for dinner last night, but the food was terrible. Do you have any hindsight suggestion? You should go to Krusty Krab.
Exercise 26. Why do you look so pale? I had a fever. You should go to a doctor. Yes, but I really don't want to go. Then you should buy a medicine. Yeah, but I can't afford it. Have you told your mom? Yes. My mother is angry with me because I rarely eat on time. Why? I don't have enough time. So, what should you do now? I don't know. What should I do now? Maybe you could exercising like playing badminton. No, my racket is broken. Maybe you could ride a bike. That is good idea. But I lost my bike. Why don't you play a football with your cousin? No, I can't. I don't like my cousin. Now, I know why is your mother angry with you. Up to me. Thank you.